Do you want to know how you can log into your Uberduck Ai account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Uberduck Ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Uberduck Ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Uberduck, where you can log in using your Google Magic link or your email address. If you want to log in using your email address, you can write down your email address in this box over here, write down your password in this box over here, and then click login with email. This way you can successfully log into your Uberduck Ai account using your email address. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this eye icon. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, go ahead and click sign up and create a Uberduck Ai account for yourself now. If you want to sign in using Magic Mail, go ahead and click on it. In a while, you can see this login portal where you can write down your email address over here. Click send magic link. Check your email address. Uberduck has sent you a mail. Go ahead and click on the mail and then you can log into your Uberduck using your magic link. If you want to log in directly using your Google and want to leave all this hassle, go ahead and click sign in with Google. Go ahead and choose your Gmail account and click continue and sign in to Uberduck Ai. Write down your email or your username, click continue, and then you can see that you have now been logged into your Uberduck Ai account using your Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.